Hello, respectable audience. My question is 5 minus 3 times 5. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. And times 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. But 10 is not our correct answer. Why it is wrong? Because we didn't follow the order of operations. So first of all, we have 2. Multiply. Main multiplication will be our priority. Then this subtraction will be solved at second place. Okay? So 5 as it is minus 3 times 5 will be equal to 15. Now 5 minus 15 will be equal to minus 10. So minus 10 will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube video and also my YouTube channel. Thank you.